stuck function on?
Can you see that? I can.
Alright then, keep stuck function.
Uh-oh.
No. There it goes.
It got stuck.
Does it won't? Yeah. Hey, make sure it doesn't leave. Get there just in case. Come on.
Let's flip. Let's flip.
Flip over. Go back to the workout. It likes a challenge.
I don't think it has enough traction to go over that ramp. Flip. Oh, bummer.
Go back, going back might go out of the course.
He's gonna back up.
Yeah.
Come on, just speed for toadstone.
Okay.
That might
First on every course.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Oh no! Come on, stuck function. Yeah!
Flip again.
Put it closer, Kate.
Put it all the way.
Put it right next to the wall.
It is the wall, Kate.
No. It's going to run right into the rock.
Come on, stuck function.
No. Bad.
Jump this one.
No. Oh, now we're gonna go for a.
That rock's gonna be an issue.
Might flip again.
The rock isn't.
Oh, turn around. When it's course correcting, does it use its pings when it does that? Zane is not over.
Your rock is killing me, Micah.
I like my rock.
I know. I'm very proud of your rock. Even though it's yours, it's
Your rock.
making me happy. Forward.
Keep going. Yeah!